Good morning, traders and investors. Let's do some live trading today. Our goal is to scalp a little bit of futures here. Already scalp ES. Made a couple of trades, but I was on the run. Had to also take a couple of phone calls, so I just could not go live here. Traders and investors, let's... Whoa. What is going on here? All right. So, by the way, smash that like button if you're ready to get started for today. So will this be a green day? Well, I don't know. Honestly, don't know. And also, I'm kind of afraid of... Let's take a look at the S&P here. Where's my trading view? Where's my trading view? Kind of scared here from the S&P. Closed negative yesterday. We can take a look at the full chart. By the way, don't miss the before the bell session for today. Also going to be a live session. Going to give a couple of thoughts there. Also a couple of earnings reviews. Now let's go back to this part. So, well, I have been selling calls. I have been selling call diagonals the whole day. Whatever, the whole day. Two calls, two diagonal calls. Let me just take a look at the setup here. Where do we have Tasty? There we go. There's our Tasty. There's our Tasty. So looking good here. You know what? I'm going to close this. Looking good here on the ES. Let's go back to charting. Go back to the day. To the minute chart. And so I sold in the morning, got $70 here, then $40 here. Oh, I just missed this. Just missed it as soon as I went live. Okay, so it's going to be interesting. The last time we had this V-shaped recovery, so we had a pull down, then a V-shaped recovery, and then played around here. So, we just have to sneeze. That's my allergies against V-shaped recoveries. Okay. Let me test also here the live stream. Everything is working as planned. Yup. If you have any kind of questions or suggestions for trades, just leave them in the comments section, okay? Go in the comments section, go in the chat, and just smash your ideas there. So let's go back here. Let's see what else is going on here? My CL, my my oil. Oil is going nicely upwards. So I already have here a trade. Let's talk about the trades. I have a CL opened here. This is a 112. So basically bought one put, sold one put against it. 20, so really close against one another. And then sold two more out in way down at 5 delta or something like that. So this is a bullish long term, because you can say it's 125 days long term strategy. Okay, also have here on IBIT, already closed this yesterday. Sold a couple of puts, so I bought a call in the future. I'm selling, not puts, selling calls against it. Let's go back to the ES once again. What are you doing here, ES? I'm waiting for you. Come on, give me the chance. So what I'm looking for here is selling call diagonals today. Okay, so basically this is my setup. This comes up and goes over it. Then I'm going to sell it and looking to close between 5 and 7%. Okay, so basically giving me that between $70 and $40 exactly as you see here. That's what I'm looking for, because with costs and so forth and so on, it's also costing me $3.49 and then a 5 additional. Let's just call it a 9, or we can call it a 10. Let's just call it a 10. So each time I'm putting and taking down a trade, I have to deduct $10. That's the fees. Those are the fees for futures. Okay, so what is going on here? Come on. Now, a little bit about my setup. So down here, I have my MACD. Currently, a buy signal has been triggered. So I'm going to leave this alone. Let it go up. RSI on the very bottom. Pointing currently bullish. So I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to wait until I see a clear sell signal. Now, this could mess up everything, okay? So sell signal here, sell signal triggered, sell signal here, triggered. But the problem is when you're waiting for a sell signal, then you're kind of, go to tools here, the price range. So if I'm waiting exactly for the sell signal, trigger, and it's only 4%. Okay, so that's the problem with the sell signal. Doesn't this have a shortcut? Whatever. Okay, let's go to another one. Sell signal triggered right here. And I can only do 5%. So I have to kind of bullseye it. I have to kind of call it, okay, I think the sell signal is going to be triggered. And I think that the buy signal is going to be triggered. And between the two of them is just 5%. So kind of have to be bullseyeing, bullseye it in order to get that 7%. 7% is hard, 8% is even harder, but at 5%, man, you're not making enough money. Meaning, actually that 40 was 5%. So 40 deduct 10 from it, ending up with $30. Not bad for one trade. Looking to do a couple of these today. Let's see where we will end up. I'm also talking with a friend of mine about watches. I want to buy a watch. Ah, nice. He just sent me the watch that he has. It's an Orient. That's a Japanese watch. And there's a major difference if you buy it with glass, finely produced glass, or with sapphire. Now, sapphire is almost indestructible, with scratches, I mean. So, yeah, I'm looking for a sapphire glass. I'm turning 40 in just a couple of days. Want a nice watch. It's not one of the most expensive watches out there, but why buy a Rolex Daytona where I'm never going to wear it anywhere because I'm too afraid of somebody killing me on the street and stealing my freaking over $20,000 watch? Just buy a $200 watch or 200 something. Actually, it's a $300 watch. Actually, it's kind of a $300 watch, but still, it's a lot of money, okay? It's a lot of money. Somebody could just, I don't know. If you want to, let me just show you the watch. Let me just show you the watch until this turns around because I'm waiting for the only thing, back to trading, the only thing that you can control in trading is the entry point. After that, the decision of selling is yours, but you cannot control how the price will move. Okay? The only thing that you control is the entry point. So, and after that, you have to make a decision. Okay, let me just pin this to the top message. Okay, let's go. So, I wanted to show you the watch. This is the watch. Oh, there it is. But this one, let me see, is this sapphire? Where was the glass? Glass, orient hair, yada, yada, yada. And, yeah, sapphire, glass sapphire. So it's, well, this is in euros. I kind of like it more in blue, not this blue. Where's the other blue? That's one. Such a beautiful watch. Just check it out. Beautiful, beautiful watch. So Japanese watch, high class watch, high quality watch. That's my wish for my birthday. By the way, let me also show you something else on the Nvidia trade. So for those of you who are following me, hit that follow. Come on, subscribe to the channel, hit the follow. For those of you who are following me, I already sold a bunch of calls against my NVIDIA call. And not bad. I was up 800 something dollars. So that's what you shave off of your buying price. Doesn't really affect the buying price, because at the end of the day, I have to close this call. And the matter of fact is, the better I close this call, the further away the price of the call is from the current price, the better I'm off. So currently this is off 10%, so negative 10% here. And adding to that is my option that I sold, my call that I sold against it. And let me just take a look back at ES. And also, where's my other tasty? Just going to open it here. This option that I called, this call option, I went in the money because I sold it at the money. I was extremely bearish on NVIDIA, and then it turned bullish, and then it ripped me apart. But things are still changing. Also, sadly, their earnings is coming up. I have to be really careful with this. But this is sold after their earnings, so it can go up, and then volatility can crush, and then the price will change. Also sold 2 puts. Yes, so I put vertical against it, kind of getting back some money there. Not really working for me right now, so I'm kind of in limbo actually right now. So let's go to our ES trade here. Just have the diagram up on the side, and also going to open it up here. So not doing anything right now, but I think this is going to either come back just a bit and then go bullish, because the RSI was oversold. So it could do this once more, which I want to avoid. And just draw a line. Gray, draw, D, draw. Can't draw in this. Oh, this is so frustrating. Well, nevertheless, just give me something to draw with. Whatever. What I want to do here is to wait this to come down. To go up, and then I want to make it come down. I can't make it come down. Come on now. So that is the setup here. Man, I really want this watch. Damn it. Are there watch enthusiasts among you? Let me hear it in the comment section below. Oh, can you recommend me a better watch? That's also something I'm interested in. Man, is this going to come down now? Oh, we are heading 11 o'clock at my time. I'm in Germany currently. Going around here. Because right about 12 o'clock is where the market's kind of going nowhere, so I could take opportunities there. Still in buy mode. This is still bullish. There's still a bullish trend here. Not going to take this bullish trend. I want to flip it, or at least let the trend show itself. Currently just stabilizing here. Man, if I was sold it here, I would have made 13% easily. Just pick a price here. I wanted to sell it here. Damn it. Yeah, 14%. Well, that's it. Didn't do anything, so can't blame myself for not doing anything. Let me just close these. These are so annoying. What else is moving here? Man, I will not touch silver. I will not touch gold. That is certain. Jeez, I lost so much money on silver. Let's see if red. Green. But the reds are $2,000 something lost here. Now overall lost 2,225. Just Jesus. Yep. So am I going to bet against silver now? that is going down. No, not going to touch it. How about gold? Also, the Widowmaker, natural gas. Man, lost some money here. Lost some money. I was doing fine in natural gas, as you can see. Bam, 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 green, green, green. And then, boom, one hit, second hit. That made a little bit of money, but those hits really hurt. Oh, damn it. Okay, this is still doing nothing here. Let's take a look at gold. Gold on the day. So this is the daily. Okay. Gold on the daily. Pulling back here. How much would it cost to sell diagonal? Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. No. 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 Will not touch it. That's on the call side. On the put side, actually, it's much better. So this is 15 wide. Man. Let's go to yes. Yes is killing me today. Yeah, I'm going to wait for this to return. The RSI, let me just show you. The RSI is currently at the bottom, but I think this is going to bounce. It's just going to bounce, and if you, although a sell signal was triggered, but this could be such a small sell signal. I don't know. And it's not a small signal, it's a oversold. Jesus. Okay. Could have made some money there. Could have made some money there. Jeez. Is this going to continue? What the hell just happened? Some kind of news? Some kind of news. So I wouldn't touch it here. Let it just do its thing. Let it bounce, and then we're going to take it from there. I'm even afraid to sell a put here. Put diagonal. Man, I could scalp. No, it's not even worth the risk. It's still going. And once again, should have done it. Should have done it. Man, this is a really good sell-off. Take a look at this. Bam, bam. Small position. It's going to turn around. I'm just going to leave it. Don't touch it, Norbert. Don't touch it. But the risk is really good here. But if I touch it and this turns, then I'm done. That's lost money. That's just lost money. Wouldn't touch it here. Let it clear. Let it take a breather. But hey, as you can see, it's a really bearish day. So this was going on for the entire day, just down, down, down. Okay, it went up here at 5 o'clock in the morning, and then so where I am, at least, and then man, this is still continuing. So the question is, how high will the bounces be? If I touch this too soon and the bounce is in a V-shaped form like here, then I'm going to get massacred because this is clearly getting oversold. Now things can stay oversold longer than you think. So touching it right here could be dangerous. Okay, let it just do its thing. It'd be even a better setup to sell here a diagonal. Nothing. It's giving me nothing. So the put side is just awful today. Okay, it's trying to turn around here, meaning this would come up. The candles are signaling that it wants to turn around. It's trying to find the bottom. The selling is stopping right now, or not. Nope. What can I make here? Jumps up. I could make $100. Not finding any news. Why did you just... Why did you just barf down there? Okay, let me put this in. And... Getting the feel? No? Still not? But come on. Maybe it's better that I not get filled. It's so clearly oversold. It has to bounce up. And? Wow, this is so strange. Not getting the fill on the put side. Not going to go down. Nope, it's not reacting. Not finding the right price. 95, 90-ish. Let me replace it quickly. Nope, not getting filled. And the price is starting to move away from me. No fill there. Not getting the fill. This is so strange. No, I'm going to leave it in 95. Let's see. Okay, I'm filled, so let me put in here, going to go with 5%. Although I'm not going to get anything for 5%. That's the 0. I need more. Put 10% here. I need a 10% bounce. A small little scalp. This was oversold. This was so hard oversold. So what was the 10%? Once again. 17.50. Come on, boy. You can do it. It was clearly oversold. Let's take a look at this. RSI massively oversold at 13. We didn't get 13 the entire day. Could this go even lower? Of course it can. But currently I'm waiting for... That's why I'm only at 10%. 5% was not enough for me. But... ooh, this is not good. This is not good. Ugh. Ugh. So we need to go... I got filled here. So we need to go and come up here. %. And it's at... Ooh, and it's at resistance. So, let's see. This will happen. So the buy signal is not getting triggered. RSI is turning around here. To +2, -7.5. It's so jumpy. Did something happen? Just check the news. Well, accepting the fact that Paramount sweetens Warner Brothers' bid with offer to pay Netflix breakup costs and other fees. Ooh, let me check Paramount. So can influence this. Maybe we're just going to cry at the end of the day. But. Okay, so let's go to Paramount. PSKY, because it's Paramount Skydance. How's the price action here? Jumped? Oh, not that much. Or did it? Boom, boom. But that's from yesterday. I'm so dumb. It's just from yesterday. So let me check here. It's over 11 o'clock, so we should see the price action also here. Let's check the price action here. Paramount, Skydance. There we go, on the NASDAQ. So let's see if the price did something. So in pre-market, nothing. Doesn't it show me the pre-market? That is strange. Paramount Skydance Corporation. Oh, it's up 10. 1088, so nothing big. I own a little bit of Paramount and I'm massively down on it. Down on the price. Let's see what our ES is doing. Nothing. Still doing nothing. The price did not move, but the RSI, this is going to go down. I could bet that this is going to go down. So the matter of fact is that I should be thinking about selling the calls here then. 755. Because if this goes down, damn. Okay, it's turning around here. Let's see if we get the 10%. If maybe I'm going to close my position even earlier. Let me see how my Paramount position is doing. Paramount is still down 37%. So this is the stock that I own. Jesus. I don't know who's going to win, Paramount or Netflix. But what I do hope is that this finally close. This is just annoying. The entire thing is so annoying. I want this thing to be over. I want my next Netflix shares back up. I want to sell my Paramount stock because it's only a trade for me. I want to hold Netflix for longer term. Whoever should win Warner Bros. Studios, I don't give a rat's ass. I just don't give a rat's ass. What are we doing here, huh? What are we doing here? Let me just take in this price action. Come on, we're almost there. You're going to hit resistance. I can see that. There's your resistance. Not a problem. We're up 10. 7 more points and we will be out. OWT out. And I'm not going to change that. I'm going to leave it at 10%. 10%. Going to end up with $7. Also not bad. Hey, I'm still down on my ES for 365 days, 717. A couple of bad trades there. Come on, boy. Come on. You can do it. Come on. 6, 7. It's too late for that. And so, I was thinking about something. In order for the MACD to be triggered back down again, I'm thinking about changing this. So should I do it? Should I do it? You can do it. Let's see if it goes over. So does it stop? It just hit its head on the middle of the Bollinger Band. It's going to go over it and remain above it. That's what I want to know. Because right here, the RSI, the MACD can just flip, so you beep, 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 and then it can sell off again. And if the sell-off happens, I need to change my trade. Okay, first red-ish bar, no. I'm going to leave it at 10%. Come on, come on, come on. What is happening here? Boom. I know that my video feed is not a... Jesus, what a red candle. It's not the best in the world. But hey, who cares about 4K? Do you care about 4K? Don't be superficial. Come on. This is not a day to sell puts, Norbert. Come on. Why are you doing this? This is not the day to sell puts. Isn't this obvious? This is a day for call selling. Want to sell that call, then do it, because this MACD is going to trigger a sell signal once more. You know what? I'm going to close my call here. I'm going to close my call. Didn't I cancel it? Cancel. Delete. I'm just going to close my call here. Let's see the diagram again. Was it support? So it hit the lower bottom of the Bollinger Band. Let me leave this 10%. Jesus. 10% in here. Let's just look for what it's doing. We're getting 20. Yeah, that's what I'm going to get though. Place. Yeah, 20 minus 7 minus the 9. So still remaining with 10 would be great. Because it's so just not, this is not going as planned today. But come on, this would mean that the RSI would be again oversold. But buddy, go up. Don't be shy. Don't be shy at all. Actually, I do have a very good camera. Why is my live stream so shitty? Your stream output. I don't know. I don't know. Also, I don't care. You can see what is happening, and that is important. And you, sir, should go up there. Come on. By the way, what were we looking for? Yeah, and in other news, Alphabet sold rare 100-year bonds. 100-year bonds. Jesus. Well, actually, they're not selling them for that much. So if you're buying those bonds, you're a freaking idiot. Buy those bonds. Activist investor Elliot builds stake in LSEG. Sources there. What the heck is LSEG? LSEG. Unclear. What is LSEG? LSEG. Wait. LSEG. Yeah, LSEG. Nothing. LSEG. I don't know. I don't know what LSEG is. So, fellow, how's it looking? Don't want to go up there, huh? Shall we just close your ass, or will this be a more slower recovery? My problem is always this puts. The put side is costing so much money. We're getting actually almost nothing for the puts. Puts are schmutz. Yeah. By the way, if you don't like trading, just want to invest, I released my investment course. Let me put it in the comments here. Where's my investment course? It's for total beginners. I think it's a really good course for beginners that you should definitely take. It's free. Why not? Why not? Now I'm releasing 16 videos, I believe there will be at the end of everything. 16 videos, so they're not all out yet. You do need to be patient. They're going to be released peu à peu. That little fella does not want to go up above the Bollinger Band. I should close this position. My intuition tells me that I should close this position. Let's look here. It's just hitting the Bollinger Band. One hit after another, just hitting it. Does not want to go above it. Make this a bit larger. You can see it, don't you? There's the Bollinger Band, middle, center, and keep getting its head stuck there. Come on. Get your head above the water. So what was I doing? Oh yeah, telling you about my course, which I want to show you right now. Here it is, in courses. And to go here, courses, there you go. A lot of courses. So now, not all videos are in yet, but there will come more. Okay, fellow, let's do this. Let's hit cancel order here and close it as it is. One tick above. And let's see, can we close it up here? This is not looking good. This is going to trigger a sell order. Okay, we're out. And we got out at basically nothing. So 7.5 with these two, that's basically lost a couple of pennies. And now it's moving up. Jesus. What are the odds of that? Could it that's so annoying. That is so annoying. So let's go back to what I was trying to do here, and it is to paste the course in the comment section. What? How annoying was that? Man. Basically did nothing here. Yeah, I'm going to sell some calls against it just in a couple of minutes. Maybe better entry point with calls. Okay, go. And you're going to stop probably. Let's see, this was a Fibonacci. Take a look here. Where the Fibonacci. I hate this. The Fibonacci retracement of 6. Oh, just misclicked there. Extension retracement. There we go. There's a Fibonacci retracement. 20 something. Okay. Let's see how long this goes, and then I'm going to place a call against it. So this is where the buy signal actually was triggered. If I would place this actually here, this ticker right here, and well, did not end. So I could have gotten the 10%, even if interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. Let's test it here. So yeah, but this is such a great big retracement. So signal was here, triggered at this little fellow. And then the sell signal was oh, I missed. Come on, what are you doing? You put you there, and you will be put here. Something like that. Okay, so what are we doing here? Is this it? Is this the top? Is this coming down again? RSI in the middle, bullish on 53. Wouldn't place a call against it right now. I only have 6 more minutes left, so not that good of a trade. I just showed you, sorry about that. But still, man, I'm kind of intrigued now from this part on. Let's see, trade, the call. No, not good. So I have to go here. A lot of risk. Let's place it. And got filled. So let's close these two fellows at 7%. Good till cancelled. So let's see if I'm right. So 7% would be basically here. Oh, exactly there. Well, I don't think it's going to hit it, but let's try. Let's try. Let's see what happens. In other news, I still did not post my video. My course playlist. There you go, fellows. Get shareable link. And here we go. Full beginner free. Full free beginner investing course. Don't sell anything here. I am not a seller, I am a buyer. Actually, I do sell calls. That's what I sell here, not courses. Education is free at this channel. Kind of getting tired here. So come on, we're almost at 12 o'clock. Why isn't the market going down or going at least in a snooze phase? Because that's what it should do. Hit the Bollinger Band, come down, give me 50 bucks, and I'm out. I have to do a couple of things right now. Also then dress and go to a meeting. Boom, this is out. This is in. Yo. Got it, got that one. Oh, and by the way, I really want to hear from you guys about the watch. What do you think about the watch? My buddy there that told me about the watch, he's an expert. Oh my god, this is really going high. Oh, jeez. Not looking good. Well, I will probably have to leave it for a little bit of time here. What are we doing here? Come on. Come down. Come down once more. You know that you want to come down. Why don't you just come down? Okay, let me check this, and this. This is okay. Let's just take a look at the markets right now. Oil is up. Ooh, that means that my oil... See how my oil position is behaving. Shows that oil, $15 up. My long... this is going to take a while, so I can... Actually, well, I'm looking for that 440 extrinsic value. Okay, I already got 15, so 425 is still in there. But this has also a trap in it, so if it moves between certain points, so between my put, and so between this put and this sold put, if the price remains there, to say, this can actually be double or triple worth. I only put it up for a day, or days opened is 1 day, and days to expiration is 125 days. It's not going to stay up that long, but hey, let's see how far this trade takes us. Yes, please turn red. Please go down. Now moving back here to... There we go. So oil up 1.04%. Gas is down 13%. Gold is up 0.91%. Silver is also up. Copper is up. Dollar is down. And Bitcoin is down again. Ethereum is down. Sadly, I closed my Bitcoin position. Yes, futures pointing down. And NASDAQ futures pointing down. And that is why I'm selling calls. So take my call and give me $50 and let me go out of here. Come on. How's this looking? Down here. You just have to come down here. See how everything looks. You don't have to become comfortable. Just come down. Take a look around. Stay a little bit until I get filled with my price. And then you can leave. You do whatever you want. Do come down. By the way, I sold a put, naked put on Joby. I don't know what Joby is. They're building flying cars. The Jetsons are coming, baby. The Jetsons are coming. We are going to be flying around. We're going to call a flying Uber in the future. Let's see what else is happening in the market. Checking my phone here because I have my other investments on a different portfolio. Not looking that great. Come on, baby. Come down. Yeah, 18, 25. You just come down here. This is IBIT. You just come down here and let Papa have a talk with you. This wouldn't even mean that you're oversold. Nah, it's not. Doesn't know what it wants to do. It's a clear sell-off in the market. So this is kind of pointing to the fact that if I leave this alone, I should get filled. And then close the day at around... so if I get 50, that's 40... No, let's do it another way. Let's go to the day. Not yesterday. Today. So this is where I'm at. I'm up $116 minus the $12 in fees. Total fees. $100. And then at the beginning, at the open, I'm going to place an iron condor, maybe, on the market. Let's see how it behaves. Oh my God, it's going to trigger a buy signal again. Can't believe it. This is going to trigger a second buy signal. Check out this MACD. The tips are going to touch. Please, over 18. over 18. No, I'm not doing anything here if I close it now. I have to wait. I have to wait. Come on, be bearish, Norbert. Be bearish. Oil is at least up. And Joby, yeah, Joby. We were talking about Joby. So I wouldn't mind. What does it mean? I wouldn't mind. The only way you would not be mind getting assigned on a stock. So first of all, place my bet after their earnings. If they rip up or go down, there's still 1 month left, or roughly not 30 days left for the price to either come up again, or we're just going to be assigned. I'm going to be assigned here 100 shares at sorry about that. At what did I sell it? Sell it at this where's my price? At 93. At 93. So sold it at 10 to get it at 93. Well, actually 92. 92 because I'm down. This is actually 92. Yeah, only that 920. Being that invested $920 in that. And then, of course, I'm going to use the wheel strategy on it and sell calls against it. And this would be basically the only shares that I would own, because this right here, Netflix, I'm going to close this today, up 27% on Netflix. How did the news actually, shouldn't this be a relief for Netflix? Let's check Netflix. So what did it do? What did Netflix do? What did Montana do? Netflix. On the NASDAQ. Pointing up, you bastard. Go down. No, actually, not really pointing up. Okay, a little bit. So hopefully this is good. I have to close my position. Nobody knows when Netflix, actually this was pointing down. Nobody knows when Netflix is going to flip here and just explode once more as it did here. Nobody knows that. Nobody knows. This could happen so quick, and then my face is going to be ripped off. So yeah, let's go back to tasting. Nobody knows. This could be over so quick. Okay, yeah, calm down. Calm down. Come on. You can do it. Sell signal has been triggered. And if you be so kind and come down and give me my 40, was it 40? I think it was $40. Give me my 40 freaking bucks. Let's just replace this. Let's see. Oh, 50 bucks. Give me my 50 bucks. Give me my money. Where's my money at? Turned around again. Mother lover. Nope, not going live. It's turning. Ah, Jesus. It's turning on me. Let's see. It's going to hit resistance. And rejection. Reject his ass. As you can see, MACD triggered here. Buy signal again. Mother lover. Yeah. Oh, come on. So most of my oil position is down. Everything is turning around here. Why? So tired. Kids still wouldn't let me sleep last night. Papa, I have to pee. Papa, I have to do that. Papa, I have to do that. Come on, Papa. Yeah, so what will the market do when it opens? Will it go down or will it go up? Because currently the market is pointing down. But if this is going to be used like a rally, platinum group metals, PLG. Let me check something here. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. There's a problem with this. first of all, it has a spread that you do not want to touch. And this is only relevant if you really want to own the shares. Market cap 300 million. Nothing. Why did I have it in here? What's the reason? What was the reason? Can't remember. Can't remember anymore. There was a reason why I had it in there. So let's go back to not analysis, table and trades. -5. Getting there, getting there. What else I want to show you? Now, theoretically, this is a $700 trade. So if I would leave this on and the market would tank, and with an RSI, oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. This low, if the IV rank this high, actually, 20, market could accelerate. What is it trying to do here? It's in the Bollinger Band. The Ichimoku cloud right now, it's in the Bollinger Band. It's trying to, I think, break out here. That's my fear. I think it's going to break out here. Not really the time to put on a put diagonal. But as you can see here, my very first one was the best one, and that was because of volatility. So it was so clear that this was coming down. 6 minutes. So here's where I placed it. Boom. Went down, got out of it, got some money. But this is, as always, a oversold condition and normally should bounce back. So I should have let the put on there, the put diagonal, should have let it on there. Because the chances from here to come down once more are really slim. Meaning, well, not meaning anything. Basically, if, let me just show it to you here, this could still happen. It can explode. Also, this could happen. Then it goes down once more. Okay, so basically, if you bought something here, went up, went down, and you basically up nowhere. Then it went up, and it's coming down again. Now it's trying to trigger a buy signal once more. So the question is this going to be sustainable? Should I reduce because it's not clear what it's going to do. So should I reduce this to only 5%, which is a much more realistic of a profit, due to the fact that it could trigger a buy signal, a major buy signal, and then it's off to the races, as you can see right here. Yep. This is kind of getting bullish. And we are so close to the mid-session that I'm wondering if at the mid-session this is not going to come down. I really want to conclude this, not just end it here, because I'm going already over time. Let's see how long was the stream up. I want to go that long today. Join me tomorrow for the next stream. Also join me for the opening bell. It's going to be at 8 o'clock in the morning US time. So basically half an hour before the market opens. 1 hour. Hey, we are 1 hour in our stream. And this is looking kind of bullish here. Bollinger Band, the bottom is going upwards. The top is trying to curve here upwards. And there's so many green candles, one after another. I would really like to see here just a little bit of a sell-off. Get my dollars back and then leave this as it is for right now, because I don't know what the mid session is going to bring. The Bollinger Band is getting so tight here, it's going to explode in one way or another, exactly as it did here. And if this is going to go up, then I'm fucked. Although the trend was down the entire day. Meaning that maybe buyers are going to step in as soon as the market opens. They're going to buy that dip. Everybody's buying that dip. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, we have... Actually, we have a couple of economic news coming out today. Just check this. Yeah, we have at 7:30 US time, non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. Ooh. Depending on how they are going to come out, this is basically how the market is going to behave from that point on. Sell-off or bounce. Currently, the market is kind of pricing in both sides. That's why actually bad news is what is pricing in. That's why the market is going down. So if I leave this on, it could still go my way. Everything is pointing in the right direction that this should go my way, but it just will not leave the Bollinger Band. This is crazy. Just will not leave it. It's constantly hitting itself on the middle of the Bollinger Band and will not come down. But the buying is so soft here. This should actually come down. Let me check this here. Yeah, it's so soft. It should trigger now a sell signal. Okay, sell signal triggered. I'm going to take out now this and replace it. Let's go higher, not lower. And let's see if it goes my way. So, sell signal come on, trigger it. It's not yet triggered. It's trying. Tips up touching there. Okay, now. It has some support. Okay, broke through support. Coming down. If it's going to break, okay, so we have sell signal triggered. It has enough space to go down the Bollinger Band. The RSI can go to 30 without any problem from this point. So, come on, sell. It should just rip down right now. Because it's so squeezed there that after this, yes, it should rip, baby, rip. Come on, rip. Give me that 7%. Give me that delicious 7%. I can already taste that 7%. Give me those $50. It's going. And come on, man. Yeah, it's constantly hitting that Bollinger Band. It wants, although the tops right here, I can see we're constrained, so it did not manage to break out of here. Sell signal triggered, but it was so weak, and now at least. And in 2 more ticks, I should be in there. I should be in, wait, because I sold it actually. Let me just readjust this. Sold it somewhere here. I believe I sold it. If the sell signal holds, but there's not enough selling. Such weak selling. There's no more people in. Oh my god, it's going to trigger a buy signal. This is far too weak. Far, far, far too weak. It's going there. Let me see it triggered. Just one oomph to the downside and we're good. 41. This would have been with 5%, 6%. Can't believe it. Can't turn green again. I just can't freaking believe it. It's just my luck. Oh, geez, it's going to turn around. You know what? I'm going to leave the trade. We really need a... The candle doesn't even know what it wants to do. And you can see the sellers and the buyers. That's so weak here. More buyers than sellers currently. Where do we have our trades? Okay, buyers are leaving. Oh, it's trying to go up again. Okay, so as much as I would like to let this go, I think I have to stop it because I have to go and can't control it. Really have to go. Come on, man. Go down. Couple of ticks. Now it's going to trigger a buy signal once more. Let me just replace this. Okay, we're going to leave it here. And there we go. We got 40. Not bad. So $157 for today. And the day is not over. I'm going to come back after the opening bell. And going to see you then. And guess what? My luck is that it's going to just go down now. Nevertheless, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come on, help me out here. I'm going to teach you a lot. I'm going to do a couple of good day trades together. So, ladies and gentlemen, have a lovely day and see you later. I'm Norbert and I build and protect wealth right here at WealthDom. Catch you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.